Hey, day 13, hobby rooms today. Here we're setting up a sewing area for this lady. And basically this room got flooded out a couple years back and they've done nothing with it, which is why it's a hodgepodge of stuff. She's moved some of these other pieces in here, nothing on the walls. Has a lot of fabric in tote baskets, totes, those plastic totes and plastic bags, and wants to build something to hold all their fabric. And again, we're underground. You can tell I've opened up the blinds here. When you're looking at moisture levels in the lower level, paper, fabrics, upholstery, doesn't do well underground unless you've got a dehumidifier or you've made some special things of heat and air conditioning control, which is a lot of money to run some of the big houses in the winter time here. So if you're going to be storing bunches of material or wool or quilting patterns and things, I might suggest a clear tote bag with a sealed lid. You'll have to, of course, purge whether you're color coordinating or texture, fleece versus 100% cotton, etc., etc. You're going to put them and seal them properly so that you can A, access them, and B, they're not going to get damaged before you even get there. The last thing you want is a 10-meter bolt of fabric that's gone kind of moldy and you have to throw the whole thing in the wash before you even get started. It's happened. I've done it before. It works out. The crazy part is some of the edges, the raw edges, all start to fray and they get caught up into anything else that you've got in the load and maybe get loose and get down into the washer and dryer spin cycle. So not recommended. If you were using a lighter like a cotton, you could actually put a knot up that last little bit, and so it wouldn't fray all over. And same thing when you're washing any types of clothes with buttons or zippers and belts. There's those laundry bags, mesh bags with a zipper. You can put anything like that with a loose strap or buttons or different things. You put it right in the wash like that, put it right in the dryer like that, and then it won't get tangled and twisted up into bits with all the other stuff around. So there's a little washing tip for you too. So having said that, going into your sewing stuff, I know I've had to do a major culling every time every time I've had to move, I've had to pare things down. And what seems to work is some plastic bins. These are all labeled here for this lady. I've done a great job with this so far. So she can see elastic, miscellaneous trims and some buttons and threads. So she's on her way, but I'm really counseling not to, I'm all crooked here, not to just set up a bunch yourselves because it's in the lower level. I'm sure we're going to sort that out and keep on it. We'll see you tomorrow.